Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you another real world use case of using AgentForce for pre-sales. So let's just assume that you are in a meeting with a customer and you've walked them through the proposal, applied the maximum discount, and they still say, "We like it, but we're still over budget." Sounds familiar? Happen all the time, right? We have hit the ceiling on discounts, and now the only real lever left behind is adjusting the delivery plan, like replacing some costly resources and roles in the timeline with the low cost but effective offshore roles. But it's here a catch. Do you really want to go back to your desk, dig through these spreadsheets, recalculate everything, and do the mathematics, and follow up days later? That delay could could cost you the deal, right? That's exactly where Agent Force for pre-sale comes in. Instead of pausing the movement, just ask, "Hey, AgentForce, what's the impact of replacing US based roles with offshore roles in this phase?" And boom, in seconds, you get a breakdown. Which roles can be swapped, how much cost you save, what's the new margin looks like, even operational trade offs like time zone coverage or collaboration impact. Now you're not guessing, you're not stalling, you're all looking your customer in the eye and saying, "We can bring the cost down by 18% without impacting quality. Here's up." So get your copy of Agent for pre-sales. Close faster with clarity and confidence.